Oh yeah. So can I start?
Are you going?
Okay. So hello everyone. My name is Arnav Nain, and today I'm excited to present to you my project, EduMorph AI.
All right.
So this is a quick table of contents. Everything will go through in today's presentation. So to give a quick introduction about myself, I'm a 16-year-old rising junior from JP Stevens High School in Edison, New Jersey. I'm very interested in the computer science and AI space, which is my passion, especially evolving space stuff or at tech development, like my project is developed upon. So the motivation behind this project comes directly from my own daily environment. At school, I notice many kids and classmates getting overwhelmed, anxious, and just burdened by all these STEM subjects, especially math, and they're unable to get that proper help. So my mission was to build a platform to try and solve this, which is EduMorph AI, which is what I'll present today.
Cool. Yeah.
So starting off with a problem statement, to understand why EduMorph exists, we need to look at three major flaws in the traditional STEM education today. So the first is the STEM learning gap. STEM subjects like math, chemistry, and coding are very abstract. Classroom instructions follow a one-size-fits-all model because teachers won't be able to personalize the learning experience for each different students since there's just so many students and not enough teachers. Because STEM concepts build upon each other sequentially, if a student misses or isn't that good in one core concept, they fall behind immediately without any step-by-step guidance. The second is financial barriers to help support the student. High quality help like private tutors is locked behind expensive paywalls, which not everyone can afford. Private tutoring, which is actually beneficial, costs anywhere from 40 to over $100 per hour. And in just 10 hours, that can be upwards to $1,000 just spent, which not everyone might have. And third is mental toll and burnout. High academic expectations and rigid deadlines, and just a lot of work in general, produce severe anxieties. Many students are stressed and spend many late nights just doing the homework and trying to keep up with school.
Pause for 1 second. Sorry, go back. What do you mean by what exactly do you mean by STEM subjects are feel abstract and overwhelming? That feels a bit
Like
vague to me. Can you expand upon that?
I like math. It's like it's not like you can just learn how to do it and work. There's like there are different applications, different formulas. Each problem is sort of different, and it's not like you can just look at one example problem and learn how to do it. Like each problem is different, requires its own steps, which I feel like is that's more apparent in math, coding, and science compared to other subjects.
Very problem solving heavy, right? Okay, got it.
Yeah.
That makes more sense to me now. Okay, please continue.
So here's some real world insights. So according to the national assessment data, student math achievement in the US hit its lowest point in nearly 2 decades, with only 25% of eighth graders reaching proficiency. And in high schools, less than 31% of graduating high schoolers meet college readiness benchmarks in math and science. So when the students miss fundamental concepts early on, they're more likely to drop advanced STEM pathways into college. And financially, over 70% of lower and middle class income families report that private tutoring is completely out of reach, even as the private tutoring US has been into a $28 billion plus industry. Worst of all, over 75% of high school students report constant academic stress, which citing self-study and homework as their single biggest source of anxiety. So here is my solution. This brings us to EduMorph AI, which is my project. So EduMorph AI attempts to replace this one-size-fits-all rigidness by replacing it with 24/7 personalized learning hubs. Instead of sitting stuck on a single problem and not getting the help you might need, you can select a field such as chemistry,
Arnav,
math.
look, here the solution slide is meant to be simple, okay? Look, the thing is, the demonstration is right after this, right? So I just meant to like introduce your topic, nothing more, right?
Okay, okay,
So just can you move on to the demonstration?
okay. So here's my demonstration. So when you first go on the homepage, this
Wait,
is what
one
you'll
second.
be
You're not,
met with.
Arnav, we're not sharing the screen. Remember? We're only
Okay,
sharing this your presentation. There you go. Please continue.
okay. So this is the homepage, and you can
Looks
see
really cool.
here there's
Okay.
different subjects like chemistry, math, science, or general studies. And there's
Cool. Let's
also
choose. Oh, there's light mode as well. That's very cool.
yeah,
Okay, choose.
and
You know what? Choose space science. Why not? I want to see how this works. Okay.
then you can pick your target topic if you have something in mind. You can do something like black holes.
Do white
You
holes
can pick
instead.
okay, white holes. And you can pick your style, explain like I'm five, standard student, and executive summary. I don't
What are
think
the options for styles do I have?
explain like I'm five, standard student, and executive summary.
Let's do standard student then.
Okay. And you can also pick your length, short, standard, or comprehensive.
Let's go short for now. Okay. Cool.
Okay. And then you can also pick your level, high school, undergrad, or postgrad specialist.
Let's go undergrad.
Okay. And you can build your explanation. And then it'll give you an
I'll give you
explanation
the whole.
here.
Hmm.
And then it's split
Okay.
into three subsections to try to like split into different categories. Like the second is property and behaviors of white holes. And then it's detection and observation of white holes.
Okay.
And
Cool.
it says white holes are theoretical regions of space. So I know it's like they're not
No,
really
that
proved
makes
yet.
sense. There's a
And then
practice section as well, right? Can you show me that?
yeah, you can create like multiple choice quiz or flashcards.
Interesting. Okay. Okay. Can
And
you create a tab? I want to see how this works.
okay, you
Anything
can
else?
pick your difficulty, beginner, intermediate, or advanced.
Just stick with the current one. Just
Okay,
create a
and you can
test.
also pick how many you want.
Okay, cool.
You
I
can,
want to see it working. All right. Okay.
and it'll give you different flashcards. You can just flip it and it'll
Cool.
provide your answer.
Cool. Got it. Bunch of flashcards. Okay. So, all right. Let's just. I think I get this. The cited sources check and resource finder, right? We're basically the same thing as well, right? They just like let's use Grok to find the resources and find cited sources. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First thing, go back to the interactive study guide. I have a question for you there. How would you improve this? Because like
I
this.
I
Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
I definitely want to improve in the interactive concept area. I want to make it more personalized and tailored because right now it gives a little explanation here, but I want to like a bigger explanation based on how you actually change it.
Mm-hmm.
And then also I want to like create maybe videos that go along with your detailed explanation because not every student, likes or prefers the text-based learning. So we can create like a video section where it'll provide AI generated video basically explaining the same thing.